Bitcoin price prediction. Surges past $50,000. ETF approval spurs market optimism. Arslan Butt last updated February 13, 2024 at 8:34 GMT plus 23 min read. Bitcoin's price prediction buzz intensifies as it surges past the $50,150 mark, posting a significant 4% increase. This milestone, a peak not witnessed in over 2 years, signals renewed investor confidence catalyzed by recent regulatory advancements and anticipation of further interest rate reductions. Market optimism is particularly fueled by the successful introduction of Bitcoin exchange-traded funds ETFs, which have garnered substantial institutional inflows. The intersection of favorable market dynamics and strategic regulatory events is painting a bullish picture for Bitcoin's trajectory, with its price poised for potential further gains in a landscape ripe with institutional and retail interest. Bitcoin hits $50,000, a 2-year high milestone. For the first time in more than 2 years, Bitcoin broke through the $50,000 barrier thanks to anticipations of impending interest rate reductions and the recent approval of exchange-traded funds ETFs that monitor its value in the United States. The 3% gain in value of the cryptocurrency so far this year has been driven by resurgent investor confidence after regulatory achievements. Notably, large inflows have been fueled by the approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs in January and the expectation of similar clearance for Ether ETFs. ETF investments are expected to increase significantly, according to analysts, possibly reaching tens of billions of dollars. The prospective halving of Bitcoin in April and further reductions in Fed rates enhance its prospects. Overall, market dynamics and regulatory events point to growing institutional and consumer interest in Bitcoin, which is perhaps helping to explain why its price is still rising. SEC Chair Gensler clarifies. Misleading Bitcoin ETF tweet to Congress. In response to 4 House representatives, SEC Chair Gary Gensler addressed the illegal tweet from the agency's official account on January 9, which purportedly approved spot Bitcoin ETFs. Before the SEC reclaimed control, Gensler said that a hacker had obtained access through a SIM swap assault and had sent 2 tweets. The SEC is assisting with pertinent entities as law enforcement looks into the matter. Although the fictitious tweet generated market turbulence, on January 10 the SEC approved 11 spot Bitcoin ETFs. The SEC acknowledged that the intrusion occurred because they had not turned on two-factor authentication. Now that Bitcoin ETFs have been approved, focus is shifting to the possible approval of spot Ether ETFs. VanEck is hoping for a decision by May 2024. The event highlights the significance of cybersecurity for regulatory organizations and may have an effect on investor confidence in the SEC's supervision of cryptocurrency-related issues. Bitcoin's market value set to surpass Meta amidst crypto surge. On February 12, Bitcoin shot up to $50,000 and almost reached a $1 trillion market capitalization, making it back into the top 10 most valuable assets. The bullish trend was fueled by investor optimism over Bitcoin ETFs and the impending halving. If it continues, Bitcoin would overtake Meta's $1.214 trillion market capitalization and go after Silver's $1.28 trillion, as well as tech behemoths like Alphabet and Amazon. However, the $13.65 trillion market capitalization of gold is a formidable obstacle. Ethereum also saw growth, surpassing Toyota and Nestle with a 345% increase in market capitalization to $313.54 billion. According to analysts, Ethereum's momentum combined with Bitcoin's growth might let it compete with major tech companies like Tencent and Samsung. This news shows that investors are becoming more confident and interested in cryptocurrencies, highlighting Bitcoin's durability and capacity to compete with traditional assets. Bitcoin price prediction. In today's market, Bitcoin exhibits slight fluctuations, maintaining near $49,926, a marginal decline. The cryptocurrency currently battles with the pivot point at $50,300, facing immediate resistance levels at $51,288, $52,262, and $53,401. Key supports form at $48,445, $47,228, and $46,316, offering a cushion for potential pullbacks. Technical indicators reveal mixed signals. The RSI is elevated at 78, suggesting a possible overbought state, while the MACD shows a value of 46 against a signal of 972, hinting at a potential shift in momentum. The 50-day EMA stands at $43,515, supporting the bullish trend. However, the formation of a doji candlestick below the crucial $50,000 level suggests impending volatility, with chances of a downward correction to the 23.6% Fibonacci level at $48,412. The current landscape indicates a bearish trend if Bitcoin remains below the $50,000 threshold, with an upside potential if it breaks above, eyeing subsequent resistance levels. Investors should watch the $50,000 level closely for potential trading opportunities. Top 15 cryptocurrencies to watch in 2023. Stay up to date with the world of digital assets by exploring our handpicked collection of the best 15 alternative cryptocurrencies and ICO projects to keep an eye on in 2023. Our list has been curated by professionals from industry talk and crypto news, ensuring expert advice and critical insights for your cryptocurrency investments. Take advantage of this opportunity to discover the potential of these digital assets and keep yourself informed. See the 15 cryptocurrencies. Follow us on Google News. Disclaimer: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. You could lose all of your capital.